gonna do an animated tier list, animated film tier list. And we're basically gonna rank it from like the best films to the worst. Some of them I haven't seen, so I'm just gonna place it in like the not seen section. And yeah, let's do it. I'm just gonna put it in not seen because I don't want to judge it like too harshly. Okay, the three Caballeros. I've not seen that either. I feel like this list, I already like knew like this list was gonna be basically. Hold on, let me change it. Oh, is this like the Rugrats? I think, yeah, I did watch it. Rugrats was like, I placed Rugrats okay. I never watched this. Ice Age 2 was good. Ice Age 2 was a good film. The Tale of Princess Kaguya. I feel like I've heard of that film, but I don't really know. Box Trolls, Box Trolls, Box Trolls, Box Trolls. Box Trolls. Where can I put Box Trolls? I feel like Box Trolls can probably go. Hold on, I'll probably place this up here. Box Trolls. Box Trolls wasn't bad. I feel like most of their marketing was just in McDonald's. But like, Box Trolls. Box Trolls is okay. I want to put it halfway between okay and bad. Because compared to all the other films, I'm just going to place it bad. It's not a bad judgment because we have awful, horrible, garbage. Like, we have worse. So, Lady and the Tramp, that's an original. So I'm just going to say, yeah, it's good. Robots. Robots is a solid film. I don't know what this is. The Neighbors. I don't know what this is. Ice Age. Ice Age again. Okay. Ice Age. I don't even want to put. Ice Age 1 was. I feel like the first movies of all of it was probably better than the second movie. Like Shrek 1. Shrek. Yeah, Shrek 1 was probably better than Shrek 2 just because obviously it's the original. Up. Up was good. From Up on the Hill. I didn't watch this. I know it's a Ghibli film, but I haven't seen it. There's so many films on here I just know I haven't watched. But jeez, we have a whole list to go. Okay, cool. It's probably gonna take us like half an hour to get through this list. So editing's gonna go crazy, but let's go. Inside Out. Inside Out was a good concept. It was a good movie. Like it's not a bad movie. Like, it's a good movie. I feel like it's one of those movies that you have to watch like at least once. You can probably watch it twice. Like it's a good movie. Quantos. I don't watch that. Tarzan 2? No. What did they do to Tarzan? Captain America. Captain Underpants. That was a good movie. TMNT. I don't know if I watched this film. Did I watch the film? I don't know. I can't tell if I watched the film or not. Alright, we got Turbo. Turbo was a solid film. Claws. I didn't watch Claws. I don't know what this is. Sherlock Gnomes. Oh, did I watch Sherlock? I don't think I watched Sherlock Gnomes. See, I feel like we got nothing in Perfect or Awesome, but let's see. Under Fist, I didn't watch. 101 Dalmatians. Oh, I did watch this. This was pretty good. Lilo and Stitch 2. I didn't watch 2. Snow White. I feel like all these are like original Disney films, so you can't really say they're bad. They're pretty good. Like Kung Fu Panda 2. Kung Fu Panda 2 is solid. That's like a great movie. Kung Fu Panda, great movie. Basically, all the Kung Fu Panda movies are great. Cars are solid movie. Like it's good. Good. Okay, I'm gonna good. We'll go good. Shrek the Third. Shrek the Third. Which one was that? What happened in Shrek? Shrek the Third. Shrek the Third. Oh yeah, no, this wasn't that good. This was like, I'm gonna say it was bad because like the plot was kind of like corny. I'd say. Holland, I didn't watch. Didn't watch this. Didn't watch this. I don't think. I remember vaguely watching it. I can't remember the storyline. So the fact that I can't remember the storyline, I'm just gonna say it was bad. Rango was a good movie. Uh, Lion King. Lion King. Is this the original? Yeah, the original. Lion King's. I say Lion King's good. Megamind. Megamind's one of those movies that is just amazing. Hold on, I'm gonna go. How to put this up? Megamind's like awesome. Because I was watching Megamind over Ice Age and Kung Fu Panda. Toy Story. First Toy Story was good. I'm gonna even say it was great. I didn't watch this. The Incredibles is a great. Yeah, I put it in great. I feel like I only watched Incredibles once. I didn't watch the second one, so didn't watch this. Didn't watch this. Didn't watch this. Ooh, oh wait, is this the one I watched? Oh yeah, this was good. This is so good. I feel like a lot of people didn't watch this film, but it's awesome. It's a good film. Like I don't just watch Wallace and Gromit, but it's a great film. I didn't watch this. Didn't watch this. Didn't watch this. Madagascar 2. That's a good film. Let's go great. Pokemon. Didn't watch any of the Pokemon films. I was never really a Pokemon guy, I don't think. Wonder Park, didn't watch. I feel like half of this list is just gonna go into didn't watch. Haven't seen any awful or garbage films yet, but didn't watch this. Or maybe like all the awful or garbage ones are in there not seen, that's why I didn't see them. See. Alright, Mermaid, didn't watch. Dinosaur, didn't watch. Lilo and Stitch is a solid movie. I put that in great as well. Like these are all like the traditional type, like the solid base movies you have to see before you see everything else, I think. Like Finding Nemo is a good movie. Walt Disney's Alice in Wonderland. I don't think did I watch the original? I don't think I actually ever watched the original. It was always the adaptation. But based on the no, I don't want to do that because the actual film is probably somewhere in here. But okay, so I don't think I watched so. Treasure Planet, didn't watch. Flushed Away is so good. I watched it like 3 times, like when I was a kid, and I watched it like a year back as well. I don't know why I'm saying that. Like Shark's Tale is a good film. Oh, Via's a great film, but I watched it so many times. Like, it's one of those films like I overwatched. It's not an overwatched film, but I just overwatched it personally. So like, if someone said, "Do you want to watch Via?" I'm gonna say no because I watched this so many times. I know the storyline, like back to front. I didn't even know there was a Billy and Mandy film. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say not seen, but I feel like the film would be good because I've not really seen a Billy and Mandy that's bad. Puss in Boots is solid. We got awesome. Boss Baby. The first time I saw Boss Baby, I say it was good. Yeah, good, yeah. Wait, is it gonna be in the same bracket as? Yeah, same bracket as Cars. Boss Baby. Yeah, I think. Alias, I didn't see. Ants. We're gonna have to speed run this because we actually have a lot to go. Okay. Ants. Ants was okay. Okay. Yeah, it was okay. So with me, that's good. Didn't watch this. Peter Pan is okay. Pinocchio was okay. Hold up. Where'd it go? There we go. Pinocchio was okay. Frozen. Frozen Prison was good. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna go through all of this list. We'll try and get through like maybe half. I literally want to get to Evangelion because obviously I know where I'm gonna put that. Wait, where is Evangelion gone? I've lost it. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know where I've lost it. Anyway, when we get to Evangelion, that's when I'm gonna stop. So I didn't watch this. I don't watch this. I don't think. Incredibles 2 is great. Tangled. Tangled was a good movie. I feel like it was basically I've forgotten her name. How do you forget? Who's the lady with the really long hair? That's like oh, Rapunzel. That's it, Rapunzel. She's basically just Rapunzel. And it's just a retell of the story of Rapunzel. Snoopy. I think Snoopy was okay. I don't really remember the film. I don't know what this is, but it looks cool. Monsters University. That was solid. Good film. This was a great film. Most of the stuff that are great are films like I would actually watch again, I'd say. Okay, Dragon. How to Train Your Dragon 2. That was. I say it's a bit. I say that's great. Didn't watch this. Grinch is such a good Christmas movie. Didn't watch. This is good. This is good. Coraline's amazing. Coraline's like. I say perfect. Coraline's perfect. Like. Some of these guys should probably be imperfect. Like some of the ones in Awesome, but it's fine. Coraline's really good. Pocahontas. Don't think I watched the original. Trolls. Trolls was so mid. It was okay. Shaun the Sheep the movie beat Trolls 100%. Like this was at least good. Nope. Bambi. I did not like Bambi. So I'm gonna say it's bad. This was a good film. Let's go great. This is Who Me 3. I think that was a great film. Where does Evangelion go? I literally just want to rank that and leave it at that. But Chicken Little was good. Chicken Little was good, especially for its time. Like B movie was great. Where is Evangelion? I didn't watch Akira. Spider-Man. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go through the list on stuff that I've actually watched, and like leave out the stuff that basically everything I haven't watched will just stay in this pile. So Kung Fu Panda 3, that was a good film. That was a great film, to be honest. A Bug's Life. I can't really remember, so I'm just gonna say it was okay. Didn't watch. Spider-Man. Is this? I think that's Into the Spider-Verse. I didn't watch it. Or is that across? I can't see. Wait. How do I like see it? I can't really see it. Okay. Anyway, let's go. Cars 2. That was a good film. I don't remember it. It wasn't that bad. Like, okay. What else did I watch? Over the Hedge. Over the Hedge was good. Yeah, Over the Hedge was pretty good. It's not something I would rewatch, but like it's alright. Aladdin. Aladdin, apart from like the main flying carpet, like there wasn't. I didn't see much. Like it was a good film though, so we'll just leave it at that. Angry Birds. I don't think I. Oh no, I did see Angry Birds. Angry Birds was okay. Hmm. I didn't watch any of these. None of these. Moana was a good film. I want to see Afro Samurai so bad, but I don't know. Not seen it yet. Didn't watch this. Toy Story 3. Different. No, I watched. Oh, that's the one with the like the adoption center. I think it's an adoption center. I did watch that one. That's good. Didn't watch. Didn't watch. Anastasia's good. I literally had that on CD. And I still watch it on CD. Like I used to put it in my laptop. Didn't watch this. This was an okay film. Nope. How to Train Your Dragon. That was a good film. Okay. Didn't watch. Didn't watch. Wait. The 101 Dalmatians. I put that in the wrong place. Which one was it? Because like I feel like there's two different ones. 101 Dalmatians, 101 Dalmatians. I don't know, but like this one's good. I know this is the right one. It's awesome. Awesome. No, awesome is a bit of an exaggeration. Just pick, yeah. Good. Yeah. No. Didn't watch. Didn't watch. Didn't watch. I don't think I watched Big Hero 6. Didn't watch. Didn't watch. Cars, the original was good. Didn't watch. Chicken one was really good. It was kind of like, yeah, it was a good film. Like I think they really pulled it together at the end. So. Nope. No. 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 Okay, I'm gonna separate all the ones I didn't watch. Didn't watch. Didn't watch. Didn't watch. Hey Arnold. Don't think I watched it. Don't think so. Oh wait, no. How to Grinch Stole Christmas I watched. Didn't watch Howl's Moving Castle. Okay, the circle of me. I feel like they all go in the same place. It's putting good. Okay, so we basically only have one thing imperfect. Coraline. I don't think there was anything bad about Coraline. Like, apart from like obviously some people didn't like it because it was scary, but it's Coraline. Finding Dory. I didn't even watch Finding Dory. I remember all my friends watched it, but I didn't watch it. Frozen 2. Did I watch? I didn't watch Frozen 2. I watched Home. Let's go up. Frozen Home was good. Hotel Transylvania 2. That was okay. This wasn't the one I watched though. The Grinch movie. I watched like the one that looked a bit more real. Ice Age is Sword of a Stone. None of this. New and Nuance. Yes. I watched all of this. I didn't watch that. Oh yes, we're coming up to Evangelion. Okay, cool. Wait, why? Why? How was Caroline bad? How to Train Your Dragon. What would you put at the top? Okay, How to Train Your Dragon was good. Hotel Transylvania. That was good. I mean, I watched the second one, so it has to be good. Ice Age 4. Ice Age 4. I can't remember what happened in different Ice Ages, but I don't remember them ever being bad, so. Where did Ice Age go? Cool. Oh, fair enough. How am I much? Wow. No, no, bro. Alright, good. Yeah, see, all the Ice Age is basically going good. Because I don't think I really watched an Ice Age twice. But Ice Age. Ice Age. Okay. Jimmy Neutron. I don't know how that movie went. Couldn't put it in, not seen. I did see it, but I can't remember how it went. Kubo I didn't watch. Leroy and Stitch. I thought it was Lilo. I didn't watch that. Madagascar was good. Just like the OG movies are all good. Where'd the mask go? Where'd it go? Oh, there we go. All the OG movies are good. Lorax was good. Well, not good. I say it was great. It was better than Lorax. Was Lorax better than Ice Age 2? I don't really know. Maybe. Because obviously Ice Age 2 is iconic, but was Lorax really better? Like, I'll put them on the same level. The Jungle Book 2. Didn't watch. That's fine. Dumbo. I didn't like Dumbo. I feel like Dumbo was bad. I feel like it was made out to be good, but it wasn't that good. Monsters Inc. Yeah, Monsters Inc. was okay. Fox and the Hound. Oh, Peabody and Sherman. That was like, yeah, that was good. I put it in good. It's like, I don't really like too many films that like take place just in. It doesn't take place in one place, but like the main scenes in one place, I guess. But it was good. I didn't even know there was a Mulan too. Didn't watch. Romeo and Juliet. It was okay. Okay. Yeah, we'll just put it in okay. Because what's it competing with? Ants, trolls. That's not really a healthy fight. Oh no, but it's competing with Monsters Inc. So yeah, we'll just leave it. Okay, Evangelion. We already like. Wait, which one is this? End of it. Okay, yeah, cool. I actually love this film. I'm gonna place it up there with Caroline. It was a great film. Well, at least the second one. The second one was a great film. Because obviously I didn't watch the ones before because they were just a recap of the episodes. Onward, didn't watch. Ooh, Perfect Blue was good. I didn't get it. I didn't really get the storyline, but it was good in terms of what I could understand. It was good. Like, so I'll just put it in Yeah, I put it in good. I can't put it in like great, awesome, or perfect, because like it's still confusing. Penguins. Penguins are good. I think penguins is probably wherever Madagascar is. Where did I put Madagascar? Yeah, can be in great. Then watch this. Then watch this. Then watch this. Then watch this. No, no. Disney Mulan. I can't remember. The Croods. I think that was okay. I can't remember the storyline. What is my best video game? Like right now of all time. Like right now, I only actually play like one video game, and that's like Valorant. But all time, I don't really know. I don't know. I don't really know of all time. I say it. Yeah, I'm not really sure. I really like the card games, but yeah, I probably really like the card games. I think, but I've never been like a big, super big player of Call of Duty, so I don't know. What's yours? Just gonna throw this. Oh, story games. I really like Far Cry 3. That was a pretty good story game, I think. Brave was not good to me. I'm gonna put a pretty bad. Rayman. Oh, I've heard of that, but like I don't know. When I looked at like the photos, I didn't really like the playstyle, but it looks good. Like, yeah. Ratatouille. Ratatouille obviously goes up. Take it to the top. Wait, what's the storyline? Like, don't obviously give me the whole storyline, but vague storyline. Ratatouille. Yeah. Regular Shade of Movie was a good twist. Like, great. It's good. Great movie. Didn't watch. Yes, I did. I even read the book, but didn't finish it. It's a good movie. Good movie, yeah. No. Shrek 2. That was good. I'd say it was good. Shrek. We already had this. Shrek is iconic. Can go up. Oh, jeez. That's, intense. That's intense. Wait, is it like platform? Because I always remember it being like platform type. I might be thinking of another game though. But Shrek, the final chapter 3D. Don't think I watched this. Oh no, I did. Yes, I did. I think that's the same as the other one. Shrek. Yeah, it was good. Nope. Okay. This was a solid movie. Let's go. I'll even go to say it was awesome. This movie was okay. Oh, yeah, I might check out Raymond later. Like, and I might try out. See how it goes. Is it mainly like It is unlockable. Like it's not pay to win, right? Hmm. Don't watch. There's so many films I haven't watched. Oh, this movie was good. I don't know if I was just 13, but it was good. Like when I watched it, it was good. So I would say great. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So wait, what's the shooter? Like the game. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Cause that's what when I like saw images of it, it was like a 2D platformer. Lego Movie was a great movie. Oh, Deathloop. Oh, that's a different game. I thought you were talking like Raymond is a Deathloop. Or... Oh, okay, cool. I never watched this. This was okay. Cool. Oh, my bad, my bad. Wait, so it's okay. Wait, so it's definitely like COD then, I'm guessing. Because you said it's a shooter. But like story. I don't know. I'm getting confused between like which one's the story? I'm guessing Raymond's the story one, right? Or it's definitely the story one. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, I might check out Deathloop then. Wait, did you complete Deathloop? What was that moving? No idea. But oh, nice. Have you played The Bright Memory Infinite? I completed that like last week. Cloudy was was no idea. Open season. Open season was just like it's so similar. It's kind of like Ice Age. Oh, that's like in terms of story. I'm not really like too much into the story, but like, it's a shooter, and basically, you're basically play as this girl that can like lift. You know, in like Control, the game Control, how you can lift objects up. You can basically lift your enemies up and like slash them. So like, it's a shooter and a slash type game. And like the cool thing is like one person made the game, just one guy. He called himself like a one man studio, but like the quality of the game is really good. It's not that long. Like there isn't that many people you have to fight. I don't really didn't pay too much attention to the storyline, but like the game itself is good, and the boss at the end is really like quite hard to fight. Mm, Smurfs. I'm trying to put all the ones I didn't watch in this pile. Um, no. I didn't. There's so many Batman movies I didn't see. White Fang, Batman vs Robin, King's Alive. I saw Free Birds, so I'll leave that. Godzilla. Like these ones. I don't know. All Star Superman, Teen Titans, Justice League. Justice League. This. Don't know what this is. Monster House I saw. Asterix. I think I saw that in school. Yeah, same. That's why like half of them are literally sitting in the not seeing power. Worlds. Watch it. Pakamama. Next gen. Son of Batman. Reign of the Superman. The Nut Job. I did see that. Superman. This was, I didn't even see the other Suicide Squad, I don't think. This Wonder Woman. All of these looks like comics, but Teen Titans. The Death of Superman. I mean, War. This. Whatever this is. This. Okay, we're getting there to the end, so this is the main list. Yeah, I say all the movies that I watched are like the solid movies. Like, I definitely take like, I don't know, Kung Fu Panda over, what's this? The Great Mouse in, I don't know what that says, but whatever that is. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna check out Deathloop. Free Birds, Iron Man, Spider-Man. No. Why is there so many Scooby-Doo movies? Scooby-Doo. It's literally hurt in my head how many Scooby-Doo movies there are here. And basically, I don't really know. Let's see. Asterix. I feel like Asterix. I don't remember the storyline for Asterix, but okay, cool. Wenger. He's Wenger. Is he one of the enemies or? Wait, is it one of those games like where the choice, like one of the two other choices, will like determine the next thing that happens in the game? Kind of. Well, that's basically stories, but story games, but like, yeah. Okay. Oh, Wengi. Okay. Okay, cool. I'll remember that. Wait, is it on Steam? Mm-hmm. Huh. Wait, where did you get it? Horizon, Ninjago. Okay. I think I just need to. I still have my whole life to watch all of these movies, so it's fine. Oh, fair enough. Ghostbusters, Clone Wars. No. Some of these titles I can't even read. Okay, here we go. Hey Arnold. This is the last 2 layers. And half of it is probably gonna go to I didn't watch, but yeah. Ralph. No. Open season 2. I think that was okay. Yeah. Not job. Huh. Wait, there we go. Not job. Hey, how you have to like push it through all of this. Not job. It's playing bad. I don't remember it being good, so I don't remember it being okay ever. Like, Happy Feet was a good film. It was a bit boring at times, I think, but like, I mean, it's a movie about penguins. There's only like so much you can do. So, okay, Monster House, Monster House. Netflix dying. I don't think Netflix is gonna die. Like, no, obviously eventually it will die, but like, soon, because like in the UK we don't really have like Hulu. I feel like Hulu's pretty good, but if Netflix really dies in the UK, what really is there that's gonna replace it at this moment in time? That's already out. Amazon Prime's not really gonna do that, to be honest. Wait, what did they do? I know they haven't like obviously released that good stuff in the last couple whenever, but Happy Feet. I didn't watch the second one. A major movie. Ah, that was pretty okay, I guess. It was okay. Open season. Didn't watch this. Didn't watch this. Didn't watch this. Didn't really watch that. And this I did watch, but it was okay. It was actually pretty mid, to be honest, because I'm gonna say it was bad. Not bad actually. That's kind of mean on the animators, but yes. Can I zoom out? Hold on. This. Okay, that doesn't really help. But this is the finished tier list. So like, first on the list we have Coraline, Evangelion. I feel like there's one of my 2 movies I could probably watch twice, but Coverline technically shouldn't be on the same level as Evangelion, but like, I don't know. I don't really see many flaws within it. So, Megamind was solid. No, I'm gonna even put Megamind up. We're gonna move it up. Prison Beats was good. Chicken Little was great. I feel that's too high. This SpongeBob movie as well. It's playing great. Perfect Blue can actually come higher. Put in awesome. Might be too high actually. Great. And then good. We have all that. I just noticed all the ice type movies are good. Okay, Ants. And then Shrek the Third. Shrek the Third is on the same level as Ants. Box Show same level as Ants. Yeah. See, there's not really horrible and garbage. I didn't watch any horrible or garbage movies because I feel like in the first like 10 minutes after watching a horrible and like garbage movie, I just like stop. So yeah, there's nothing really in that pile. And then as you can see, 90% of this list sits in the not seen pile because not because I didn't watch animated films, but like, how do you have all this time? Each of these are like 2 hours each, so that's at least 8 years, I think, worth of movies. That's wild. But yeah, I'm gonna try and watch some of these movies in my free time. At least I have a movie list to go through. So yeah, I'm gonna obviously upload this to YouTube. So Yxngtobz.